Hey everyone, what's going on? Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at this patio heater. As you can see, it is on full strength right now. You can simply use this knob to adjust that. It's easier to see the lights at night, but there's lights to indicate the level you're at. You can also set a timer. As you can see, each amount of time you add puts an extra green light on there. So it's all really intuitive. You've got this remote control. You can also set a child lock, hold that down for like 3 seconds. And then you won't be able to use this knob, so no kid can really tamper with that and add like extra heat if they wanted to. Super quick to use, comes with the battery inside the remote, and you can really feel the heat. This thing heats up super fast and it heats up your entire patio area. You can also adjust these if you want to go ahead and tilt this a certain way to get the heat going like that. And then you've also got adjustment right here to adjust the height of the entire thing. So I really like how there's a remote. You can control this from inside the house wherever you are. And then I really like how fast it heats up. And this is just perfect for those cold summer, cold winter nights that you want to just feel comfortable on the patio. Overall, highly recommend it. Thanks for watching.